All right, we're here in Mønsted, Denmark, at the largest limestone cave in the world. Guess what's in there, Jesse?
Limestone.
Yes, right. What else do you think is in there?
Darkness?
No, keep guessing.
There is darkness.
There is.
Gold?
No. Maybe.
Caveman?
Maybe.
Dinosaurs?
Could be.
Where are you going?
Come find out. Next on Now You Know.
Okay, so this is the mine.
We are here at the beginning of the mine. And where do you want to go, Jesse? You want to go to the multimedia show? Do you want to go to the red Dignic spot? Or the yellow spot?
Yeah, I don't know. What's the yellow spot?
That's also Rignick spot.
No, it's Ostenlager.
Osterlager.
Oslager.
All right, let's go there.
Okay.
All right, so it's definitely that way.
That way.
Yep, unless
That dark.
well, unless the map.
Hello.
Yeah, no, I'm pretty sure. It must be.
Okay. So,
Looks like we got three choices here.
yeah, we're either gonna go that way,
Yep.
or we're gonna go that way.
Through the mine shaft, yeah. Or, you know what, Jess?
What?
Look at that. We go that way.
Down there.
Yeah, the road less traveled. Maybe that way.
Maybe we'll go this way.
Yeah.
All right, so you may be wondering what's illuminating me, since we're in a cave, and it's actually daylight. This is like a chimney that goes all the way up and out of the cave. So if we ever need to get out, this will be the way to go.
Hello, I am the creator.
Hello!
Hello out there.
It doesn't sound like we're in a cave.
No, it doesn't. It's like we're in a sound booth. It's perfect for VO work. We should record all of our Now You Knows down here.
I mean,
You know what?
it's like we're in a cork room or
Let's
something.
set up our studio down here and shoot all of our Tesla Time Newses in here. It sounds great.
It's hard enough to set up lights in like a room.
There's a light right there. We're all set.
I don't know.
Hey, Jesse, this way? Hey, Jesse.
Dad, where are you?
Hey, Jesse, you over here?
Do not shoot the dog.
Hey, Jesse, what's that smell?
Cheese.
I guess Jesse really wants some cheese.
It's a bowl of cheese.
All right, well, I guess the cheese is this way. You don't like the cheese, huh? Those guys couldn't take the cheese smell. but I could. I like it, the cheese. This vegan likes the cheese. Oh, you're missing out on the cheese, boys. This is where they store the cheese. Look at all that cheese. There's a lot of cheese back there. See all the cheese?
No.
How's Jesse doing with the cheese smell? You like smelling his sweater better. Hey, look, he's a cheese monster. Look at this cheese monster I found. He's running away. Where's he going? You don't like the cheese? You okay there, buddy?
If you want to go vegan, like real quick, like if you're like, I love cheese, come here. You'll never want to eat cheese again. Oh God.
And there goes Jesse, away from the cheese. Bye-bye. No more cheese for Jesse. Bye-bye, cheese. All right, definitely go this way to get out.
No, it's this way.
No, it's not that way.
It's this way.
No, it's not. It's definitely this way.
It's this way.
No, I can smell the fresh air. It's this way. You think, Jess, you want to have some lunch? I'm thinking maybe like a grilled cheese or maybe some nachos, maybe a cheeseburger.
Boring company, eat your heart out. In all seriousness though, Elon, don't make cheese caves, please. Please don't do that. Don't.
So this is what we do for a shot on Now You Know. Steven's in there getting a shot up of this shaft that goes all the way to daylight, and Jesse's getting in the shaft so that he can hold a rope so that Steven can get a really cool shot, which we're going to show you next, of what it looks like shooting straight up. Hopefully there's no one at the top of this throwing rocks down it.